I'm just gonna test out this GoPro Hero 12 I just got. I'm gonna take the red car out just for a little cruise. What I want to do also is try like these head mounts. I know it looks kind of goofy. I'm gonna put it on and we're gonna see how it looks, because I want to get like some point of view, like racing or polls or data logging, that type of stuff. So obviously I got red car and the black car. Take the red car out here and, you know, see how it works, see how it sounds. Let's see, I'll fire this up here. Good. Cold start. Let's see. So dusty and dirty. So I'm really looking to try to see is how well this camera does with how bright it is outside versus also inside the cabin. So kind of like dynamic range for cars, you know. Plus, you know, I gotta give it a little bit of gas. Plus, trying to just work on how the angle looks and all that. Just trying to see how angled down I need it, and also to be able to get interior and exterior as well, of course. We're in tour mode. No, wait, we're in sport. Can't drive this car without at least giving it, you know, a little bit of gas, right? What are we in, fourth? Oh, just my luck. You know, when it's different between, holy cow, there's a big like tornado right behind me. Holy cow, you getting this? Oh my gosh. Getting me the heck out of here. What the? Wow, holy, I don't know if I'm getting this, but I hope I'm getting it. I gotta get out of here, holy sh. Oh, Blackwing. Of course, you know, never go in the direction I'm going, and you never run into them when you're actually driving, you know, a very similar car. It's always like when you're doing something else or in the daily, or like I ran up on a Hellcat just earlier this morning when I was in the Tesla. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, seriously, just my luck, right? Of course, I'm stuck in traffic, you know, and trying to film. Always how it goes, right? Curious how much audio this thing picks up too. I mean, obviously, like, the car's not crazy loud. I got the windows up, and the V3s actually hold noise pretty well inside the cabin. So I mean, this car is not crazy loud either. So I'll be curious to see, compare this, and then, you know, on a day I'll drive the V2 and just see how it sounds like, or, you know, what you can hear exactly from inside the car with the windows up, of course. I mean, windows down, I'm sure you'd hear this car, but I guess I could roll the windows down, and I'm curious to see also on how much wind noise this thing gets. that's the thing, is you kind of also hear a lot of the air conditioning for obvious reasons, because here in Arizona it is hot, very hot. So like right now, I think the car said it's like 101 or something today. So that's why I don't really beat on it a whole lot like any of the cars. I'll do like little pulls here and there. Black car does have a nice trunk tank, so that helps, but heat is just tough. Oh, no turn on red. That's silly. See if it hooks a, what are we at, 35 roll? It's like you have to push this manual button back into drive for it to shift itself, because the delay on the paddles on these is just so, I mean, sucky. It's a lot, unfortunately. So obviously like in the V2, you slap it over a manual, pick your gear, but in this, you have to hit the button right here, this manual button, in order for it to work. So I mean, I haven't messed with it a lot. I don't know if like I could do just pick my gear and drive and then hit it and it'll do it. Still trying to figure it out. Like, I know that if I hit the button back into manual, or hit the M, so I start in manual mode, hit it back into drive, it does work. I've done that before, but it's just kind of obnoxious. Let's try it again. I'll start second, see if it does it. There we go. So we're gonna do another little baby second gear here, real quick. 40. Well, traction control kicked on there. Didn't like me. Spun. I just leave it on that way because I'm not airing down or nothing crazy. And I'm curious to see how much it picks up when it comes to hearing the whine in the car, just from inside too, you know, with the GoPro and just the regular audio for it. It's kind of cool. Alright, that was the last one. Now the car's getting really hot. Definitely not gonna like me a whole lot. Gotta let it cool. Trans temp's actually incredible. 150. I mean, for being 100 degrees outside, that's actually, let's get up there a little bit, but engine oil temp was up there like 200-ish, so I've got to let it chill. Oh yeah, just let it chill and calm down now. It's tough when it's so hot out. I mean, thankfully, at least here, it'll be cooler here soon. It's just September now, so thankfully we'll get into that cooler season soon. Now this is also, I'm kind of curious, where it's, the sun is shining into the car, so I imagine the dynamic range, like I don't know how well it's picking it up. I mean, I'll see later. But overall, it's done really well. I'm curious, what do you guys think? You want to see more like point of view stuff like this? I know it's kind of popular. There's some big channels that do it, especially like if I do it with the, somehow figure out a helmet one with the black car at the track or whatnot. Or so you guys tell me what you think about this angle with the camera and the GoPro. Obviously, you know, something different. Not using like fancy cameras and all that. So definitely you can try it, make it kind of cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this angle. Obviously wide angle, point of view, all that fun stuff, and how it looks from inside the car, you know, driving these cars, stuff like that. Hopefully do more racing obviously here as it cools off, but it's just hot right now, so it's hard. So make sure you guys like and subscribe as always. Appreciate the support. Let me know if you want merch or t-shirts or whatever with Street Racing Is Not a Crime on the back, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys want to see. Peace.